down, get a little excitement, get a two-stroke.
Our situation's a lot more forgiving than last week. You guys seem to like last week's point of view helmet cam video, so I just decided this is gonna be a weekly thing. So count on it. Every Friday you can tune into Kaplan America. Banger of a video. I got you guys covered. Wow, it is swampy. Oh my goodness, I did not expect that. Wow, the ground's still frozen underneath. That's actually really dangerous. Wow. Whoa. Almost lost it again. Look at that. Yeah, it's so wet. The ground is sloppy on top, really hard on the bottom. Need some studded tires here. Swamp back here, look at this. Wow, it's really icy. Oh my God. Wow, it's literally like total ice rink out here. Tearing the lawn big time. Wow, it is so icy. I just have no traction out here. Just poked myself in the face with this tree too. Well, we gotta trim that thing back. Super sloppy out today. This FI continues to impress me, the can fuel injection. It's like just super crisp. Over rev is great, the pickup's good, it never bogs. And I'm really loving the new chassis. This one a little short, but thank you guys for tuning in. Leave a like, subscribe if you watched the video thus far, and tune in next Friday for another point of view banger. I'll tell you what, leave a comment what you guys would like to see us ride. We just brought in this 2023 CRF 150 RB race bike. Throw it back to Justin Barsha at Loretta Lynn's when he was a young lad in the Super Mini class, ripping it up on one of these, or Max Markov. You see the videos of him at Storton's compound. So whether it's me or senior, someone's gonna be bouncing this thing off the rev limiter for the YouTube camera sometime shortly. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, fellas. God bless America. Like the video and want to support the channel, you can go to the link in the description. We have all the catalog gas merchandise, including the Alpine Stars tech boots, some Puma gas shoes, hats and apparel, these carbon fiber trowels, helmets, which are great for recreational riding or putting around in the neighborhood and you're in a helmet lost state. Those are killer. Got one myself. New colorways for the gear, jackets, and all the merchandise. To throw this in, go to KaplanCycles.com. Right now, we're gonna be giving away this 2024 Gas MC125, brand new with thousands of dollars of catalog OEM items, including the factory wheel set. This is a build in progress. You can buy tickets at KaplanCycles.com. It's $10 for a chance to win. The drawing will be during Bike Week, live on Instagram and on the YouTube channel here.